Hey, this is my London subbox, and well, it had his connectors so I can use my other speakers, and I'm gonna try these as on the base. So, well, this is the speaker system. It's a small Sony, nothing big. So just gonna play some hard dubstep. Okay, bass is totally off now. Let's feel if they are hot or not. Very definitively not cold. They're starting to get pretty hot, yeah. Yes, so let us give them a boost. That's definitively not good. And the bass on it is such like hell. And they're starting to get hot. And it smells hot, so I'll stop using them as subs right now. And tomorrow we will start trying to blow them. Well, have a coke. Good night, peoples. Oh shit.